How to get full screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you do that, scroll down and tap on additional settings over here. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of full screen display at the very end of the screen. So here you have two options for your system navigation, either the gestures or buttons. Right now it's toggled on for buttons. So here you can see different buttons over here at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on gestures and here you can just tap on learn and customize your gestures according to whichever way you would want for your device. So as you do that, you'll be able to see the apps in a fuller form, and here you can customize it as well. You can see the gesture demos where you can just swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.